Hi everyone, and welcome back to another segment of the WrightSights. And today I am in historic downtown Huntsville, Alabama. And if you've never been to this city, you need to put it on your bucket list because it is a great city to visit. It's kind of a combination between really cool historic areas as well as a lot of cutting-edge businesses. If you know anything about Huntsville, Alabama, it's nicknamed Rocket City because a place called the Redstone Arsenal is located here in Huntsville, has been for decades, and they have been instrumental in NASA, and they continue to do that even until this very day. But on this video, I am in downtown Huntsville, Alabama, right on the city square, and I'm simply going to walk around the square and show you downtown Huntsville. Not going to go anywhere else, just around the square. Throughout greater downtown Huntsville, it's really cool. You've got some things very historic, like the Twickenham district, which has some beautiful mansions, and you have a big spring park located right on the edge of the square here. But today, I'm just going to walk around the square and show you what downtown Huntsville, Alabama is all about. I'm going to take you in, I hope, a couple of restaurants maybe, and then maybe the highlight of the tour is behind me. We can see a place called Harrison Brothers hardware store. It is kind of one of the main attractions here in downtown Huntsville, so you want to stick around and see that. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the WrightSights. That really helps us out. And also hit that notification button right down there on the right-hand side of your screen, as well as like, comment, and share. That's all totally free of charge. Really helps us out here on the WrightSights. And if you like this video, share it with your friends, maybe on Facebook, other social media sites. That too will really help us out. So I am standing on the corner of, I think it's called Estes and Franklin Street, and I'm going to head down the street and just walk around the square and show you some places. Some of them I've been to just for the first time, and so you might want to go there. And then, like I said, we'll end up maybe ending our tour of downtown right at Harrison Brothers Hardware. So here we go. Let's walk down the street, and I'll show you the town square.
Just imagine what our love could be. You belong here with me. I belong here. I belong with you every day here. Always feel so new. It's amazing what your love can do. I belong here with you. So come home, come home. So come home to me. So come home, come home. So come home to me. Home to me. We belong here. We belong together. Here's my heart, dear. You can keep forever. If you're wondering where your home should be, you belong here with me. So come home, come home. together.
All right, so making our way back up the stairs here. We are 3/4 of the way around the square now. And it is such a beautiful downtown. All right, so we got one more street to go. And the name of the street is Fountain Circle. So I'll show you what that's like, and then I'm gonna take you in to Harrison Brothers Hardware.
Like the finest wine, your love keeps getting better with the passing time. Tastes sweeter on my lips, countless days roll by. It can make a man grow bitter, but you've made this man better. After all these years, after all these years, I still love you. Through every single tear we've ever cried. 'Cause after all these years, I brought the two of us right here. No place I'd rather be. After all these years, takes a little faith for a man to move a mountain. Takes a whole lot more to move a man set in his ways. But there's a way about you that leads me to redemption. You always keep me moving. After all these years, and after all these years, I still love you. Through every single tear we've ever cried. 'Cause after all these years, I brought the two of us right here. No place I'd rather be. After all these years.
So we started our walk right over there on the corner. And so now we're finishing up the tour of Huntsville, Alabama in front of Harrison Brothers Hardware. So I hope you enjoy that tour around Huntsville. I can't wait to come back and just visit and visit some of the places I just showed you. So if you ever come to Huntsville, you can't miss downtown Huntsville, Alabama. And for those of you that live here in Huntsville or have a lot of experience in Huntsville, Alabama, please make comments below. Tell us what you would like to see in future videos, things that we can tour around the area, because I know there is so much to do here in Huntsville, Alabama, that I don't want to miss a place that I don't know about. So until next time, that is the WrightSights on downtown Huntsville, Alabama.